What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back in another video, and today we're going to show you how to not get cold outside. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of the next videos to come of tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. Make sure to hit that like button so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Today we're looking at the Meco Verde heated socks. So basically, for those of you who are working outside, who are always wanting to go skiing or maybe snowboarding and skating outside, and in Canada it gets to about minus 45 degrees Celsius, so you want to stay thawed. Your toast needs to get thawed and it needs to get heated, and it can't be frozen when you're doing all these activities, especially during work time. You need something like this, and today we're going to show you how well it does, and we're going to show you the features as well. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Here we go. Oh yeah. Okay. Got some literature. That's all in the box. Let's put this on the side for now. There's a box right here. I'll show you inside. There's a micro USB cable right there. There's two. And then inside you get 2 sets of batteries. That's pretty good. There you go. Boom. As you could see up there's an on-off button. Here is the out that goes to this one is the one that goes to the socks, and then the other side is the one to charge it. There you go. And then, like I said, there's 2 sets of those. There you go. The capacity of this, it says here that it's 4,000 milliamp hour. So that's pretty good. Output is 10 watts. Pretty good. Let's put that on the side for now. And then let's see the quality of the socks. There we go. As you could see here, it's actually quite nice of a quality. Like, it's thicker than most socks. It's not like fleece type of socks. It's kind of like just a normal thick socks. So that's pretty good. As you can see here, I like how it has the flexible side there and this side to keep it intact on your ankles part, right? It also has a high ankle part right there, so that's pretty good. So that when you're wearing boots, when you're snowboarding or skiing and maybe work boots, you'll be able to still have lots of space on the top here where you can swap your batteries. So let's open this up. Inside here is where you would put your batteries, and it has the cable right there so that you can stick that into the battery just like that. Pretty good. And then, like I said earlier, it's an on and off button up there. So apparently up there, this is the battery, how much battery it's inside. So that's a battery indicator. Here it would have different colors. Right now it's red. I believe that's highest. So there's 3 colors. There's a blue, there's a purple, and there's a red. Now let's test this out. Here we go. So here's our socks right here. Today we're gonna show you how to install this. So basically what you'll need to do is take one of these, open the pouch right here, take the little power adapter there, put it into the out right there, and then turn it on. There you go. So this part right here is the battery indicator. This is depending on the color. Depending on the color, that's how hot it would be. So there's hot, medium, and mild. So there you go. Let's just test it out with that. Let's see how hot it could get, and then we're gonna shoot it with our temp gun and see how well it does. There you go. As you could see here, this part is getting warm now. I could kind of feel it. The battery lasts about, on high it would last about 9 hours. On medium it would be around 13 hours. And low it would last 24 hours. So this battery is really good actually. it would last that long. It's starting to get warm now. I have it on for about less than 30 seconds there. So we're gonna test this out. We're gonna turn on, about here is 31.3. So you could see there. There you go. There you go, 32.3. It's definitely hovering around 30-ish degrees. There you go. Let's do the normal right here. There you go. Normally it's only 22.3. There you go. For my experience, if you are using this for about low or medium, it's actually pretty good for the most part. If you have it on for the whole night, for the whole duration of your work time, for example, I work in a construction and I work pretty much 10 hours plus up to 12 to 14 hours sometimes. So I do turn it on the whole time. I was able to turn it on and keep it on for pretty much the whole day when it's in low. So it's pretty good. I didn't lose any battery or anything like that. I have it on medium actually, and it was still able to last the whole day, the whole 12-hour shift. So that's pretty good. And that's it for the day, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on heated socks. Definitely for some of you, you are very skeptical with heated socks. It might scare you when maybe it gets wet or something like that. It actually is pretty good. To be honest with you, I work in extreme conditions outside, outdoors, in construction, and I still do it right now. And I wear these exact socks outside, and it works for me. It helps me when when I get really cold out there. I usually just keep it on the whole day, so my feet is not frozen and then getting taut. So it's not warming up or anything like that, so that my feet don't sweat all day as well. It's easier to just put it on low and then keep your socks at the right temperature the whole day instead of making it hot and then cold and then hot and cold. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button below if I was able to help you. Definitely recommend this if you want to get one yourself. I'll link this down below if you want to get one as well. Make sure to hit that like button so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Hope you guys have a good day and stay safe out there. Peace.